Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to get a balance certificate from CIBC Bank. If you're dealing with loans, visas, or just need proof of your account balance, this guide has got you covered. We're focusing on the latest updates for 2025, so let's make sure you're all set. First off, what's a balance certificate? It's an official document from your bank that verifies your account balance as of a specific date. Think of it as a financial snapshot. To start, you'll need to log into your CIBC online banking account. If you don't have one, download the CIBC app or visit their website and set it up. Once you're in, navigate to the Services or Documents section. Look for options like Statements or Certificates. Here, you might find a direct request form for a balance certificate. Fill in the details, such as the account number, the date you want the balance from, and any other required information like your purpose for the certificate. If you're not comfortable with online banking, head to your nearest CIBC branch. Bring along your ID, like a driver's license or passport, and your bank card. At the branch, speak with a teller or customer service rep. They'll guide you through the process. It usually involves filling out a form and possibly paying a small fee, which in 2025 might be around $10 to $20, depending on your location. Double-check for any updates on fees via the CIBC website. A few tips to keep things smooth: always verify your account details beforehand to avoid errors. If you're requesting for multiple accounts, specify clearly. And remember, processing can take 1 to 3 business days online, or same day in branch, so plan ahead. There you have it, a straightforward guide to getting your balance certificate from CIBC in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.